Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we're checking out this memory foam pillow. So this is a cervical pillow. You wake up feeling refreshed and energized. So let's go ahead, unbox this, show you guys what it looks like, and then we will probably spend a couple nights testing it out to see how it performs, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. Alright, so this is it. It's going to need some time to fill up, I would assume. But yeah, this is it. It does have a zipper. And under in here, the foam is protected by another layer. So that's what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. We're going to go ahead and try this out. Probably spend a couple days. I'm going to put a pillowcase on it eventually, but I do want to try it a night or two with it as is, just to see if a pillowcase makes any difference. So I do want to point out it does smell, so I think I'm going to probably set it downstairs and open it up for a couple days. I do want to point out that every memory foam pillow, because the pillow I currently use is a memory foam pillow as well, and that smelled when it came, so they all seem to have that same smell. Okay guys, so I slept on it for 2 nights without a pillowcase cover. I had the first night, my neck was a little stiff. The second night, the stiffness was gone. I do like it. It does give a really nice support. Overall, it is nice. I am going to try it out with a pillowcase on it now, probably for 2 nights, and see the difference with that. So, see you guys in 2 nights. Alright guys, so 2 nights have passed with the pillowcase on. I am noticing that it's not really a big deal with the pillowcase on. It does kind of flatten out the sides a little bit here, but it does seem to swell back up for nighttime again. I seen better results without the pillowcase, but then again, maybe that's just in my head. But overall, I do like the pillow. I am going to keep using the pillow. It does seem to do a good job. I mean, we use a memory foam already, so I'm already used to memory foam and how it works. But overall, I like it. You can sleep different styles. So overall, it's nice.